Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Adobe detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in Adobe, start by researching the company. Understand its products, services, and market position. Visit Adobe's official website to explore their offerings. Review Adobe's financial statements, available in their investor relations section. Check recent earnings reports to gauge their performance. Analyze Adobe's stock performance over time. Use financial news websites for the latest updates on Adobe. Evaluate Adobe's competitors to understand its market landscape. Decide how much you want to invest in Adobe. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your investment needs. Create an account on the selected brokerage platform. Complete all necessary identity verification steps. Deposit funds into your brokerage account. Search for Adobe's stock using its ticker symbol, Adobe. Review the current stock price and any relevant market data. Determine your entry point based on analysis and market conditions. Place a buy order for the desired number of shares. Monitor your investment regularly. Set specific goals for your investment in Adobe. Consider setting stop-loss orders to manage risks. Stay informed about any significant company news and market trends. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on performance. Review your investment periodically to assess its alignment with your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.